This IES lesson aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the IES interface, including all the essential information you need to know. For the last couple of years, I have used IES for the significant projects in both the UAE and Saudi Arabia. We will proceed systematically. Initially, I will provide a concise overview of the IES software. Subsequently, I will demonstrate the location where you can get your own copy of IES. Afterwards, I will provide a comprehensive overview of the model. So let's begin. The IES allows users to input data and create or import building geometry in order to evaluate the performance of both existing and new buildings. The PATI simulation engine in IESVE assists us in analyzing and optimizing the performance of a building. Using this software, we can accurately estimate carbon emissions, energy consumptions, temperature conditions, comfort level, and daytime light pollutions, etc. We have the capability to do precise calculations of heating and cooling load, which includes using CFD simulation to analyze the movement of air inside a given area. There are several other functionalities of this software that we will cover in detail throughout the learning session. To download this software, you have to simply write www.iesve.com/software/download/ve. After the website loads, you will be presented with two primary choices, one for professional and the other for students. After purchasing and downloading the software, the first thing you will come across are these options. You may initiate a new project, which is similar to creating a new file in application like as PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. If you have previously generated any project, you may open a project by accessing Open Project. So the objective of this video is to go ahead and choose a new project option. The first screen you will see when you start the VE with a new open project. The Open Project, Import Project, and New Project selection are located in the upper left side of the IES ribbon. Next to it is a navigator and browser shortcut, which you can turn off and on through this. Following that, you will see Building Template Manager, which will help you to add construction detail, space, data, and system inputs. After that, you will see the Zoom toolbars. Next to it is the drawing window panel. You can change the way you see of the geometry to show it in plan, elevation, and axonometric view. This menu displays the model plan of different heights. Following that, there comes the side rotation menu. You have the ability to directly modify the north direction from this. This will allow you to access the model viewer, which is used for 3D views and visualization. The white toolbar below the VE ribbon contains the model editing, which we discussed during the modeling session. Application helps to model the geometry and perform the different calculation and simulation as required, such as heat load calculation and sun cast, etc. Navigator will do the same task in addition of checklist, notes for other team members, and a quick help. Model browsers, which contain spaces, you can make these spaces adjacent, tropical shade, local shade. Also, you can make a grouping as well, which we will discuss during a modeling session. Below the browser, this row indicates building subtypes such as room, void, return air plenum, and supply air plenum. However, you can hide the other spaces and can view only the relevant space you want. At the left bottom is a search ribbon where you can find the spaces by writing the name of space in large model. The object bar display beneath the model window and will change depend on the model decomposition. This gives a quick summary of model data. Status bar at the very bottom display the current location task, notes, and alert notification. For the time being, we shall conclude here. The modeling part will be covered in the next session.